What's up, lovers? How are you doing today? Today I am making a video about how to make a bitch obsess over you. Yes, a woman. Yes, because maybe you want to deal with women today. How can you make her obsessed where she's going to be thinking about you nonstop and she's going to be like, what is he doing? I want to see him. I want this. I want that. You know, you want that. I hope you want that by now. Men are always asked to do everything. You got to call her. You got to pick her up. You got to pay. You got to send her flower. It's always you. So today I'm going to tell you how it's going to be her. Yeah. Just think about it. When you go on dates, you hope that she's going to like you. Us women, we hope that we're going to like you. That's it. We don't hope that you're gonna like us. We just think you're gonna like us immediately just because we look good. Today, I'm going to tell you what you need to do so that she wants to do those things for you and that it will give you some type of leverage. When you do everything for her, she gets accustomed to that life and she believes that she deserves it and that it's your role. Some guys don't mind doing that, but what's gonna happen is that she's gonna feel like she doesn't have to do anything, and then you become Mr. Nice Guy, Mr. No Backbone, and eventually you are not interesting anymore. Me personally, I love doing shit for my dude. I want him to be all over me and him liking me, and I hope that he feels the same about me, but nowadays it's not what it is. You guys think that you have to do all of these things because you want some pussy, but I'm telling you, you don't have to do none of it. Before I reveal the 2 things that you must do to get a girl obsessed over you, I want to talk about joy mode. Yes, because once she's obsessed, you know, for her to stay obsessed, you gotta have good dick. Yeah, that's what you need. So, I don't know, last time you were at the gas station or something and you saw some pills and you were like, ooh, maybe I want to try, you know, so I want to last longer, get harder and all of this. And hopefully you didn't take those pills. Hopefully. Because joy mode is here to save the day, because joy mode is natural. Those pills, they're going to send you to the hospital. You're going to have an erection for I don't know how many days. You don't want that. You need to see joy mode as the pre-workout for sex. So this one is the sexual performance booster. That's what you need. Whether you are happy or unhappy with your performance in the bedroom, why not be better? The sexual performance booster is designed to support erection quality, firmness, and sex drive. Joy mode was created because what's on the market is trash. So don't go take anything else. You need to try joy mode. How to take it is really easy. You open the little packet, you pour it in 6 to 8 ounces of water, and then you drink it 45 minutes to 4 hours before you need it, pretty much, yeah. All you need to do is go to usejoymode.com/Melli, or you just put Melli at checkout and you get 20% discount, guys. Yes, you need to go over there. I'm waiting. So the number 1 thing you need to do to make her obsess over you is invest in you. You gotta make her invest in you. I'm not telling you go as a bitch for some money. That's not what I'm talking about. But you gotta make her do stuff for you. Don't let those bitches fool you acting like they don't got money. They do have money, but they will let you spend your last dollar just so they don't gotta spend theirs. They're gonna spend their money on themselves. Nails, hair, purses, clothes, stuff like that. I mean, actually, they're probably gonna ask you for the purse because it's too expensive. But yeah, they have money. When it comes to dating, they do not expect to spend anything. So the trick is to make her spend some money on you so that she's gonna feel like she invested something and she needs a return. And the return is gonna be, I wanna be with him. She gotta spend money, she gotta spend time, she gotta go out of her way to do shit for you. Like when she comes over, first off, make her come over. She gotta fucking get in the whip and drive to you. Make her spend her own gas, her own money. Don't pay for none of that. Her own time driving to you. And then before she gets to the house, ask her to bring you a little something. Hey, can you bring me a water from the gas station or some candy or something small, but she gotta feel like she's doing something for you. Another one is when you guys go out, is she the one who invited you? Make that bitch pay. I don't care if the next time she's like, oh, I'm not going because no, he made me pay. Not on the first date. You don't make her pay on the first date, but after that, if she's the one who want to go somewhere, make her pay and see her reaction. She might be upset a little bit, but if she likes you enough, she's gonna come back. I know some of you are gonna be worried and she might think you're lame, she might this and that. Well, if she thinks you're lame just because you made her pay, fuck her, that's one. But I'm telling you, most of them are gonna feel like, well, I invested my money, I need a return. So watch, that's when they come crawling and call some more. No, I need to see you, I need this. I'm telling you. She gotta invest in you financially. Her hard-earned money gotta be spent on you a little bit. Let's say, you know, you're going to a party, you're inviting her to a cookout. Tell her, hey, can you bring a bottle? Yes. And if she say, why do I gotta do that? Well, just tell her, I'm gonna go alone, I'll see you after. Yeah, fuck that bitch. She gotta invest, she gotta spend a little bread on you. Also, don't think that because she's giving you pussy, she's investing something. No, pussy is for everybody. She probably gives that up to everyone. So don't feel special. That's not an investment. It's free. Also, I know a lot of you want to take bitches on trips. She want to take the trips, right? So you do not pay for everything. She got to pay for her own plane ticket. Or you guys got to split the room. Why are you the one spending all your money on it? She's the one who want to go, right? So don't pay for that shit. Let her pay for her stuff. And if she don't want to pay, then she don't go. It's fine. The thing with women is the more you do for them, if they are not women who appreciate shit, they're just gonna feel like, well, it's normal. I deserve it. Why do you think there's so many women right now thinking, well, he needs to do this, this, this? It's just because some of you got them used to that. Social media got them used to that too. No. All women give nowadays is pussy and beauty. And sometimes the pussy whack and she's not that pretty because she has hella makeup. And if that's all she has to offer and you are okay with it, I think you should look at yourself in the mirror and reevaluate yourself, because that shouldn't be all you're looking for. Okay, one last example. Let's say you guys don't live in the same state and she wants to see you. Let her fly herself out. You're not flying anybody out. Nope. And then, you know, while she paid with her money, she's going to be on the plane fantasizing, okay, it's going to be like this. I can't wait to see him. This, because she invested her money. While she's on the plane, she's just thinking about the reward. And she's excited about you. And in the meantime, you haven't done shit yet. A woman who is interested in you will do anything for you. I am telling you. You have to make women feel like you are the prize. You're the catch. Because what's going to happen, she's going to think that, oh my God, it's not a lot of good men out here, so I need to have this one. Yeah, she'll do anything. All right. Now that you made her invest in you financially, the number 2, you have to be mysterious. Some of you guys talk way too much. You reveal way too much about yourself. And then she's like, okay. No, women are enamored with mystery. Oh, I don't know, but I love him. There's something about him. It sounds dumb. I know, because you would think, no, she want to know me and then she's going to love me. No. If she doesn't know, she loves you more. If they don't know what you're doing, if they don't know if you like them, if they don't get enough attention from you, all of this builds mystery. Don't go telling girls, oh my God, I like you so much. All right, let me not say that for everyone, but a lot of women, they prefer to not know. They're like, I think he likes me, but I'm not sure. They love that feeling of, oh, I don't know, oh. They don't want to fucking know. Also, when you tell them how much you like them, that's it. In them bitches' mind, they're going to think, oh, he puts me on a pedestal. I'm better than him. I'm the prize. I'm this, I'm that. No, right there. That's when you lose. If she asks, do you love me? Just respond, yeah, we're having a good time. I enjoy your company. Don't tell her, yeah, I love you. Don't say that. Because your answer is nice, but you still have the mystery and she still don't know if you love her. You need to make her wonder, does he like me? Does he only want me for sex? Does he want a relationship? What are we doing? All of this, you know. That's how you stay in girls' mind, by having them thinking about you non-stop. Some women need to be played with because they don't know how to act. It's sad, but they don't know how to act. Her not knowing how you feel about her is going to make her want you more. She's going to put in some work. For example, after a date, don't text her, oh, it was so good, I had so much fun, I hope I see you soon again. Don't text none of that. I know it sounds bad for me to tell you that, but them bitches, they don't appreciate shit. They're not gonna appreciate that message. They're gonna be like, oh, he likes me too much. No, after the date, don't text at all. I'm telling you, if you show how much you enjoy the date, some girls are gonna be like, he's too thirsty, he has no options, this and that. They have real issues. I'm telling you, they have real issues. But that's how you need to deal with them if you want them to be obsessed over you. Men are not gonna admit that they actually want to chase, but them chasing makes them feel like you have some type of value. All right, that's it. Those were the two things you need to do. Make her invest in you financially and make sure you stay mysterious. I'm telling you, those are the two killers. Yes. All right, so hopefully you can like, share, comment. You can subscribe to my Patreon at www.patreon.com/Melli Monaco. You can also come with me on a trip to Costa Rica. I need to talk about it more, but come with me on a trip to Costa Rica. I think you guys would like it. Link is in the description of this video and all the other links. Yes. All right. I appreciate you. I hope she's going to be obsessed, but make sure she's not a crazy one, because if she's crazy, it might turn bad. All right. All right. I love you guys, and I will talk to you soon.